The HER2 gene, short for Human Epidermal Growth Factor Receptor 2 gene, provides the recipe for making the HER2 protein, a receptor that sits within the surface of certain cells. When these receptors pair up, they generate a signal that can tell a cell to divide. In healthy cells, these signals are regulated. There are 2 copies of the HER2 gene, and they produce just the right number of HER2 receptors that the cell needs to function normally. In cancer cells, however, the cells sometimes have extra copies of the HER2 gene, known as HER2 gene amplification. These extra genes can direct the cell to make way too many HER2 receptors, called HER2 overexpression. Tumor cells with HER2 gene amplification, or HER2 receptor overexpression, are called HER2 positive cells.